Hi Kevin, another Workshop Wednesday. This is the laser tube replacement that I did. First one that I've ever replaced, and it's made a huge difference to the speed and quality of cut. When I'm cutting packaging from measuring sets, it basically fills the entire of the bottom of the sheet, and what I have to do is I have to line it up against this bottom edge, and the program just basically cuts around the perimeter, and it takes a little bit of setting up because I've got to line it up down this side and line it up down this side. But what I've thought of is I've got these magnetic datum corners which I use for positioning jobs. I just stuck them on the side for these cycles, and I just ram it up to the edge, and that's perfectly aligned. So that saves probably 10-15 seconds, a lot of frustration, the odd scrap. So good little improvement. And just to show another advantage of using those alignment tools, you can see that this back piece is a little bit offset, whereas the ones that are used with the alignment tool are absolutely perfectly lined up. So it's just a little thing, but it all adds to the quality that I'm trying to achieve. So that is a major improvement. Faster, better quality, less hassle. Like it. A couple of improvements over by the laser cutter. I've set up a monitor up there, no PC attached yet, but that's going to be a big improvement because it's going to save me from going round to this working space where the laptop's usually set up, so it'll save a lot of turning round. But I've also set up a USB and magnetised it so that can conveniently stick to the wall. So a few small improvements there, but it all helps. Now this is probably the major improvement of the week, and it's using the AutoHotkey to write scripts to automatically move the mouse and click various buttons. It takes a bit of creativity. You've got to do things like maximise the screen via shortcuts so that the buttons are always in the right place. But once you've got used to it, basically the script grows and grows. So I've added special symbols to denote key combinations, put in various weights, and it's like a basic programming language, sequential tasks or a script, and it really speeds things up. So I've got a few operations in Lightburn software which have been reduced from probably about, I'd say, 15 separate operations down to one single key press, and there's 2 of those, so it saves a huge amount of time, and it's mistake proof as well once you've got the script down. So big improvement there, and that's called AutoHotkey, and it's got this thing called Window Spy, and basically when you move it around, you can see the screen position. It reads out the cursor position, so you can use that to locate various icons and write them into your scripts. So thanks to Phil for that one, and see you in the next one.